Igbo culture and spirituality thrives on the idea of Ihonye Metere. This Dibia, now what you're seeing here, the youths, the masquerade, the community destroying this shrine is as a result of the consequences, the actions of the Dibia. Now, Igbo culture and our spirituality does not endure or does not tolerate evil. It does not accommodate evil people. Evil people do not hide under the shadow or under the umbrella of ordinary to commit evil. Back in the days of our ancestors, they had masquerades that spoke against evil. And whenever people are committing evil, there are still a certain group of masquerades that would go to that shrine or to that environment, destroy the shrine, burn it down, and chase out the perpetrator from the community. And this is an example of what our ancestors practiced.